Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Eudora, local and long distance movers near me. Relocating more than 50 miles from your current location is considered long distance. This type of activity requires meticulous planning. Planning and preparation are essential for a long distance move in order to avoid unnecessary delays and disappointments. In order to protect your valuables, our highly trained movers will treat your possessions with care. Expenses incurred as a result of relocating are covered under our insurance. Using our vans, you can easily transport items over long distances. Despite their size, they're well designed. Our drivers are both conscientious and efficient, so your items will arrive on time. As a result, you don't have to worry about any delays. 3 Movers are Eudora's most reliable moving services. To find the best moving company, go no further than ours. In spite of our excellent service, our charges are very inexpensive. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour for our services. In terms of relocation, we're the only ones you should contact. We're fast, efficient, and extremely competitively priced. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Eudora moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.